And this is a new plugin called Extrude Edge Extruder. Very simple to use. You just get your selected edge, say this one, click, and then you can extrude like that. If you type in, say, 50, it'll change after you extrude, so you can extrude to a distance. Say, for example, let's extrude. I've got my edges switched off. Right. So if I select this, I can click and extrude up to reference the top of that. And I can change the distance after that, so let's put 100. So, and then, so you got two chances, extrude to a distance and extrude to a reference point. So let's do undo and look at some settings here. So in your settings you've got extrude. You can soften the edges here, so click, and then you can go here. And so what that does is now you've got your edges that are shown. So if I do undo, I undid the softening of the edges. So let's go back in here and let's click this as well, see what happens. Okay, click reference that. So it's, you see it's not, the edges are not softened or smoothed. So we can do undo there. Go back and change it. Soften the edges, extension, smooth edges, click push, pull, and that. Now you can also select it again, tool again, and you can go up always here and type in a measurement. I'll just let go. If I go to wire mode, you see I've actually put in a joint in there. So I've got a shortcut key set up on that. If you just triple click it, it will show it to you anyway as well. So you can do joints like that if you need to. On a curved face, if you want to have a purpose for that. Let's see what else we can do. We can do multiple extrusions. So let's do something like this. Go times 9. So we've got that. So we can extrude. Let's extrude like that. We can also extrude in any axis, which is very handy. So let's see here. Let's try extruding this way. Now, if you hold the Control key, you can reverse the extrude, like so. Try it again. If I go in here, click drag, it's going that way. Tap the Control key to go the opposite direction. And you can type in a measurement then, say 500. Say. So you can just drag it whatever direction you want and then type in the measurement. Let's try something else. Let's try extruding an edge that's on here. There you go. See, you can extrude that up as well. Let's try extruding an offset. What I do is I just select everything and see what happens. It ignores the faces, and there you go. We will switch on switch off softening edges. Try it again. Okay, and then just type in say 500. There we go. So that's it in a nutshell. If you can find some uses, put it in the comments. Thanks for watching the video.